Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you my Prime Video keeps freezing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Prime Video and then tap on the Prime Video app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue. Go back and try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to the settings app, and once you're inside settings, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on show all, and then tap on Prime Video. And once you're inside Prime Video, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once this process is complete, instead of upload app, you will have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just go to the Prime Video app, and once you're inside, tap on the profile icon. Now once you're inside here, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you're inside the settings, tap on stream and download. And once you tap on stream and download, here you'll have an option that says stream quality. Once you tap on that, here you'll have 4 options. Simply set it to data saver, and that will probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.